Hey there, welcome to SAP with Veena. Now we'll see how to configure a unit of measurement. Now, unit of measurement we are using while creating a material master. And here you can see the base unit of measure, which is taken as piece. And we have a lot of unit of measures which are already configured. Now, if we want to configure our own unit of measure, either you can go into transaction code CUNI. Or if you want to browse through the path, you will go into SPRO, you go into ABAP platform, you have general settings, then you have check units of measurement. So either you use the transaction code or the path, it would lead you to the same place. Now, when you need to configure the units of measurements, you can go into unit of measurement over here. And here you can click on this create, or you can select one of them. You go into details and you can do the copy as well. It's up to you. So let me go back and I'm going to create it here. So unit of measurement, I'll take it as number. So I'm giving it as NO. Now we have the commercial name and the technical name provided. So here, whenever we create a material master, commercial name, whatever you provide, is the one which would be available for you to select. So here as well, I would prefer to give it as number itself, even the technical one. And decimal place, I'll take it as 1. Okay, let it be at 0. I'll leave it blank. And here, what is the text you want to give it for the unit of measurement? I'll give it as numbers. Okay, and ISO code, this is International Standard Organization Code. If at all you have anything, you can provide. Um, so I'll take it as primary code. I'll take it as group. Okay, and just save this. Now, if I go into material master, I'll try creating a material. And you can see here, numbers is available as the unit of measure. So this is how you can configure your own unit of measure if it's really required, because SAP do provide the standard unit of measures as applicable always. But anything that is beyond what is available in standard, this is how you're going to configure. So let's see you in the next video. Till then, stay connected, stay tuned. Thank you so much.